Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Chimney pot here, filled with well compost. I'm going to plant it up with a little bit of colour. The colour we're using will flower from spring right through until November and last for years in the chimney pot. In the centre we're going to put a nice princess lily. I have a whole range of princess lilies in the web shop. It's a totally hardy perennial. Only grows around 30 centimetres high, a mound of colour, flowers non-stop from end of May right through until November. That's as good as it gets. It dies down for winter and comes back every year. So we're going to take him out and settle him into our chimney pot. Now the wonderful thing about princess lilies is that they've got a really fleshy root system. There's a variety called Vito, deep red. There's purples and oranges and yellows. And if it dries out next summer, these fleshy roots will hold extra moisture. So it's like a camel holding moisture in his hump. The princess lily does the same thing. So that's what princess lily settled in there. And just spilling out over the front of the pot, we're going to put in a white rock cress. There's a whole range of different rock cress. This is accent white with flower in spring before the princess lily starts to flower. So we're going to settle it in there. Just a simple planting. These will work in a pot or container as well for you. A little bit of extra compost just in around. They work in a pot or container. And we'll have colour in this pot from spring with the white arbrecia, and then the princess lily will fill out at the back of the pot and flower from the end of May, early June, right through until November, go asleep and come back again for years and years to come. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.